How are you?
Okay, sorry if good, good. It's a strong day, but good. Sorry if I push you in the last week, but I find this error and I would like to fix soon.
Yeah, I think the problem is now fixed, I think. But this hamper this pushed me a lot of tasks, and I have to spend a lot of time on this. And configuring the cloud is not working, was problem with the flexible environment that has been also deployed again and connected with the API and sent back to Facebook. That has been done again.
Okay, one question because now I see in Facebook Manager
Yeah.
the events. I looks like that all the events are okay. The only because you say that is still not fixed. You say this.
What not fixed?
No. You said that now is okay, or there are still something not fixed.
No. The everything is fixed. I said I fixed again everything. The problem was in the Google Cloud that has been fixed. And
Okay.
I sent you also the screenshots that the server is sending data to Facebook.
One moment. I just take my glass because I cannot see anything now. There are.
Everything is good to go,
I
brother. You can now run ads. Don't worry. I've checked everything.
I run the ads,
Okay.
but there are still something not completely.
Okay.
Allora, okay. I see that the page view is not has a very low quality of the between browser and server. For example, if I see today, it take 67 events by browser and 44 by server, and this is completely not possible. All the other events, view content, etc., add to cart, etc., are perfect. The only problem is the page view that has is a big gap between the server and the browser.
I understand. Basically, everything is sent with the same API and the same server and with the same setup. So sometimes it's up depends on Facebook how the Facebook is receiving the data. So our responsibility is send data to from Google Tag Manager to Facebook. So the view content event and the add to cart event, which is working good. Also, the page view event has also been set up in the same way. So it's not the matter of worry about if it's not matching 100% equal. So sometimes it delays to send data, sometimes it's not send not right that, but it's delays to send data. So if one side receive the data, then it's okay, good to go. So I think it's not worry about, because with the conversion, with the tracking, what you'll do, you'll do the conversion tracking. So you need to worry about purchase, whether it's tracking properly for your conversions. And also for retargeting, so there are some events like view content add to cart by which you can retarget. So everything is good to go. If your ads is working good with this, then I think it's working good. And I have set up everything according to Facebook recommendations. You said so that I have also sent all the parameters, all the events, scroll events as per your suggestions, like last time. Yeah, that's it for. And also
Okay,
about the.
but
Mhm,
not tell me, sorry.
sure.
I interrupt you, so go.
Nah, yeah, that's it. I was talking about this. Just hurry up.
Okay, now I really appreciate because in the past I tried already other developer, but I appreciate you because you always fixed me the issue. So I appreciate your work. The only things I'm not so technical, but mm, all the events are okay, and only page view take at least 15 um, events less. The server take 15
It will be
events less
fixed,
than
brother.
browser.
When we connect our server for the first time with Facebook, Facebook takes some time to optimize the with the setup. So if you run with a Facebook ads for 1 month or 15 days, 20 days, it will be fixed. You can see, no problem. It will be.
Okay. Okay, I ask you one other question because is something that I don't understand. From your, I engage you 1 year ago, more or less, for the pixel configuration. I did some tests in Facebook for this. Later, for the cost of Facebook, etc., I just migrate to Amazon FBA method. Now I come back also to the pixel, but in this time I didn't change anything by server side, by I didn't change anything. Why we have all of these issue by Google Cloud server?
Okay. When you don't use, you had a free plan in Google Cloud. So that was for 3 months. That was of 3 months when you have installed this. So it has been a long time after 3 months, or maybe you have run ads after 3 months and have enabled the activated the billing for Google Cloud. So when you have activated the billing Google Cloud, so it has started to billing you. Okay. So when it is started to billing you, it has also, I think, billed you 120. You said, I remember. So and also it's not receiving data. It's also changed the, I see the environment has also been changed in the Google Cloud backend. I don't know why. So everything was good to go. Last time you had also run ads, but now I see everything was messed up here. That has been uh, also not working. That has been fixed now. Okay, that also fixed now, and also the GTM has also been the properly has been connected with the Google
I
Cloud.
didn't check. I didn't check GA4. Also, GA4 is correct.
You can check, no problem. But
I
everything
still
set
not
the
check it.
setup was totally like everything. I just clicked on submit. Okay, I worked only with the Google Cloud. So the problem was with the server, not with the GTM. So the data is being sent from GTM.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm hearing you.
Sorry. Okay, we are talking about the GA4.
Yeah, you can check. You can check, no problem. But everything was the setup last time I did. I just worked with the Google Cloud, not with the GTM. But we are sending data from Google Cloud. Sorry, from GTM. You can check your GA4 as well. As I see in the server preview, the GA4 is also sending data to their respective property.
Okay, but this all the configuration that you did now, because I don't know how much time I will remain in Facebook, if I will block. It depends also by the conversion. My question is, if I have some blocking part, if I block Google Cloud for some period, every time we need to do all this configuration that all the time that you
No, no,
spend
no,
in
no.
this time.
No. Every time not. Every time not. But if you have to block you. So last time I think you did not disable the billing. You have just enabled the billing and you just left the using Google Cloud. So when you are decided to left leave Google Cloud, then you have to disable the billing so that they cannot charge you. Okay, when you enable the billing and then the app engine where we have implemented our deployed our Google Cloud for server side tracking, so it's running. So when it's running but not receiving any data, not getting any activity, so everything is messed up here. And also it will be just charging you. So when you are choosing not to use Google Cloud, you have to disable the billing, and when you are choosing to use the Google Cloud, then you have to enable the billing. Okay, just you have to make sure that.
Okay, but the fixing that you did now, what was the cause, the problem for this?
I see the environment was I have implemented in the environment. The environment was flexible, I think, and the server was stopped to receive data, to receiving data. I implemented their total minimum 2 and 5 servers. The single one not working here. I think everything is disabled. Maybe somehow you have just kept enabled the server. Now what I've done, I have deployed every server again, so that is now working for the last.
Okay,
And also
I have
the compute engine was not working. I have also enabled the compute engine by which our setup is now working. Basically, brother, now you have worked with me last 1 year. If you want, I can show my price has been also changed. My price is now 180 for Facebook conversion API, just only for Facebook conversion API. For GA4, I take minimum 100. Okay, so the price that you have given me in the last 1 year ago, it was 100. But if you take me from just as a new buyer, new client, I will charge you not
No,
less than
no, but
280.
okay, about the price now, I just would like to speak because I usually don't like to negotiate. So I would like that
Yeah, I also don't like.
everybody is happy. So I just would like to come back about the price one moment. But before,
I
just
also would
last
like to
question.
I also would like to make happy my client, to give the best service always, to fix their problem. Just having developing knowledge cannot fix the tracking problem. To fix the tracking problem, there are a lot of things to consider. Just you are developer, write to code, you can write to code. That's not enough knowledge to fix. Now you have to know GTM, how marketing platform works. So a developer don't know how marketing platform works. But
No,
from marketing,
I spend many time to try to do the configuration by my side. I configure everything in GTM, but later I stop it to
yeah.
do this because too much things to follow, so I cannot
Yeah.
follow also
Because
the
you have to
technical
know
part.
much about Facebook. When you are working with the GF, you have to know much about Google. You have to know much about Pinterest when you are with the Pinterest. So you have to give the total idea of marketing parts, and as well as developing part, as well as GTM part. So every knowledge you have to have in your mind. Just having developing knowledge or having just marketing knowledge not enough for tracking and analytics. So
No,
that
but for the, I always be very direct. In Italy, we are very direct usually when we speak. I
yeah,
don't know if you have
it's
other
appreciating.
customer, but I appreciate your work, so I want that you are happy. So if you ask me now that for this job you request to me 50 euro, 50 euro now I didn't consider because I also spend 2,000 euro to reactivate Google Cloud, but this is not your problem. If you request officially 50 euro, I will do an extra budget. I will take this money for you. If
Yeah, thank you
50,
so much.
if 50 is your final price, I just
My
have
final
another
price is
question.
above that, but as you are my previous client, I deal you with only 100. Previously, I worked with 100, but so that's why I'm charging 50. But if you are
No,
new client,
but okay, but this is not a completely new configuration because all the
yeah.
events
That's the also case. By the experience, by the time period, their time price range also changes. The doctor, fresh doctor, they charge 500 or 100 per consultation. But if they are experienced for 5 years or 10 years, they also increase their budgets. In
no,
this time,
correct.
in this time, I have also worked with many agencies, worked in lots of experience with tracking, know the total tracking experience. So I can now easily fix any problems I can guarantee you I can fix any tracking problem for any marketing platform. That can be for Facebook, Google Analytics, everything. So you have to, I think, you have to be with me for this. So to get any tracking service. So I'm giving the top notch service to my clients, everything, because it's my passion, it's my profession. I would like to do and to offer my client the best service always.
No, this I like. The only things that could be a problem is just the if your price continue to grow up and my configuration continue. If, for example, in 3 months I have again the same problem, etc., is an issue. So I cannot
If the
spend
same problem, if the same problem appears, I will do it for free. But if the new problem appears, I will charge. You have to
Okay,
mind
but
it.
just try to see this part by business side, not by technical side. In this case, I paid 1 year ago about some config. I didn't change anything. I didn't create a new events. I didn't switch server. I just freeze the server before and I reactivate later. And you need to spend time on this. So this is a little bit tricky. So I don't know
Yeah.
why.
Sometimes you
This
need
is a
to basically, after my service, I give my service for 1 month. I give free service, but you have come to me after 1 year.
no.
Sometimes
Now what I'm telling to you is not. I'm not trying to negotiate. If you tell me
no.
that
I'm not also negotiating about pricing, brother. Just talking this. Sometimes I also hire some on Fiverr. I also work as buyer. Sometimes I need support for some of my tasks. So I hire someone, but they don't respond. When I just reply with them after 1 month, after 2 months, they don't reply. They have taken a 5-star review, then they are happy. They have taken money. They have given, but it's not my values. I always try to reply with my clients. You see, you have sent me message after 1 year, but I have remembered you, and I also remembered which part I have worked. I just you have told me fashion why, okay. I didn't ask you anything. I know this was I have remembered that. Okay, I have worked with the client 1 year ago. It's okay. It was okay for me. I always remember my client.
I ask you one technical things, Abdullah. But if now at one time I decided that the server costs are too high, if I just disable Google Cloud, I continue to send just the browser events, or everything is blocked without
Just
Google Cloud?
you will only send browser event. Everything not will be blocked. Just server event will be blocked.
Okay, so if tomorrow I just decide to track by browser because Google Cloud costs me 250 euro per month, I can just disable the billing of Google Cloud.
Yeah, you can. But I recommend you, if you are thinking about pricing, I think I recommend you to use Step Server. The Step Server will cost you only 20 per month.
20?
Yeah, only 20 per month.
But now I cannot switch to another server or
Yeah, you
other
can.
cost
You
of.
can at any time. You can adjust. You will give me the server cost. I will take 100, and for configuration for one time, and for 150. So you'll give me 150 total. So you will be charged only 20 per month, nothing else. If cost more than that, then you ask me. No problem. I will see the matter. And most of my
Okay,
clients, if you want, I can show my screen. Most of my clients is using Step, and I have one agency client on Germany, and all his client I have configured maybe more than 40 or 50 API for him. So all of his client using Step server, and they are happy to go. So I think you can also consider this. This will just
you
give.
say that by your side, how much the cost to do this migration?
The migration will cost not more than 100. I will take only 100, and the task I did just sometimes before some days 50. So the price total will be 150.
Okay, I will understand how much cost this month the Google Cloud, and later I will try
Google
to
Cloud will
understand.
charge you a lot. Google Charge is basically for the large companies, not for small to medium sized business like Amazon, like eBay, like a regional business company. But their data richness is much good than a Step. But Step also good. Step also is providing good, but their pricing is too minimum, and they do best for a small to medium sized business. Always I think I see in Fiverr, I always find small to medium sized business owner like you. So I think you can consider this. It will save you a lot of
Okay.
cost. And you can also test with this. You can, if you disable Google Cloud now, it will not charge you anymore. But you can, I think, test with Step for 20 for 1 or 2 months how it's working. I think it will give you good insights, and you will be happy with that. So giving
No,
on
yes,
me
but
100 and also the 20. So that is not a Google Cloud 1 month's cost, but you are getting the Google Cloud service with the Step server. This is
the
the server.
problem
If I show you
now,
the
if I go one moment in my GTM, Google Tag Manager, just would like to see how much it costs now, the Google Cloud.
you see my screen.
Yeah.
You see the Pro plan, they give you 3 cloud server that is now implemented. 5 lakh request, 50,000 request per month. So does your website receive 50,000 request per month? That means 50,000 page loads.
50,000. We can check in Google Cloud. I activate a campaign on we
So
can
they
check
are very
together,
less. You
because
see, they are very less. If you get 200,000, it will cost you only 50. So I think it will not charge you more than that. So they are also statistical, not dynamic. So if you choose that, then if you choose 20, then they will not charge you more than that. It's fixed.
okay, now I just would like to see the my billing for okay, you have a grant. Go one moment in my Google Cloud environment.
Yeah, sure. Google
I
Cloud.
activate a campaign 2 days ago.
You activated campaign on the Facebook.
Yeah,
So we can see data here. So you have to calculate data on your website backend, how much request you are getting, and also in the Facebook Events Manager. But in the here you can also be able, you will be able to just see the row. So if I go to instances, so you'll see that just receive data or 6 hours 7 days 1 day. So it's just sending
eh,
data like this. When the server is sending receiving data, it's just showing this arrow sign. So you'll not get the total idea here. Okay. So but in step this is possible. Step also shows the metrics, how much request you have used, how much request you have. If you want, I can show you my another client profile.
but
Uh,
sorry, if I have no here the overview of request done by API in Google Cloud.
yeah, you can see, but that is not a numeric value. But in step
Okay.
you can see a numeric value, and as a non-technical person, you can easily handle step. Just let me show one of
Okay.
my clients profile how step is working. There are lots of client, you see all they are using step. The server is running. Yeah, you see they have 50,000 requests for this month. Maybe he is not running a campaign, just a 60 here. So they are configured with the here. And also I have some other clients on some other account. There are also a lot of clients with step. I go to most of the
And
clients basically use step because it's cheap.
I check. Yes, I check now in the API in the API section in Google Cloud.
Yeah,
In
you
few
see,
days,
you see.
I think that no, yes, I'm checking, but my Google Cloud. I did 41,000 requests in few days, Abdullah. So I think that the 20 euro could not be my part. I did 41,000 in 4 or 5 days of campaign.
Not 20,000,
200,
it's 200,000, 200,000,
200,000,
200,000 or 5 or 50, this means 5 lakhs, almost 5 lakhs. The 5 lakhs request for 20 and 200, 2 lakh, sorry, 20 lakhs for 50, I think. Let me show again.
Okay, we can do like this. I monitor this, and in case I will ask you the.
That is 5 lakhs is 5
This is
50,000.
500,000.
Yeah, 500,000. That means 5 lakhs.
Five. Okay, 5 lakh. I also work with Indian guys, and also they say lakhs, but in Europe we don't say. In Italy we don't say lakhs.
It's 500,000. 500,000. Here is
You come from
200,000.
you come from Pakistan, correct?
No, Pakistan, Bangladesh, beside Pakistan.
Okay, okay. No, I will come to India next month, but
Yeah.
not Pakistan.
Nice.
Okay, so 500,000 requests. Okay.
It's far good to go.
Uh,
Many of my clients is choosing the plan and doing business with this. It's very cheap. For
uh,
business, 20 euro is not matter for you monthly. It's like
no,
nothing.
no, correct. But now is just I pay you now 50. I paid the 200 in Google Cloud. If I do the migration now are other 150. So I need
But next month will
to
save
take.
you. But this the next month will save you 200 again. So that's will.
No, yes. Now I monitor every week how much increase the cost. For now, for these days, I will spend 6 euro. So I will see. I will let you know after my monitoring how much it will cost, and in case we will plan the migration.
Okay. then now you are just okay, no problem. Now then you have to you are going to give me just 50 for the previous setup, and let me know if you need the service in the Google Cloud, sorry, in the Step Cloud, so that we can work later.
Okay, if share to me the payment method, and if I will decide also for the migration, please do a good price to an old customer for you.
Yeah, that's why I give you 150 total, but sometimes I do it's a complex task. Sometimes I do best for this. So if you do, I give you 150.
But here you don't need to arrange to organize all the events. You just need to point to a different server. So
You every time ask about pricing. Okay, brother, give me
no,
130.
is an
Hundred.
easy
Okay,
task
brother,
for
I
you.
understand. I understand 130. Okay, 130. Happy.
I will let you know about the new feature. Send me the payment method for the 50, and
Okay.
we will be in touch for maybe for the server migration.
Okay. No problem. Let me send. In Fiverr, maybe could you please send me a message? Maybe I'm not finding you.
In Fiverr.
Yeah.
In Fiverr, I don't use Fiverr for one here, so I just create for you. So okay, we will be in touch.
Could you please
I
send me
try
a
to.
what is your name on Fiverr? Timothy or like?
I don't know. I just go one moment.
Please go to
Fiverr.
Fiverr.
One moment. I need to reinstall
Yeah,
the
I
app.
I think I got you. Timothy Gross, I think, right?
Timothy Grosso. I'm Timothy Grosso.
Yeah. It's here. I got you. Okay, let me send the offer again. Please go to Fiverr 50 and asking a good review from you because it may help us to grow on my service, Facebook conversion, PI, error fixing. Did you get the offer?
Yeah. Review offer.
Yeah, please accept. Then I'm delivering the order so that you can complete it. It's received.
Please upload at least one file.
Yeah, not record. I'm
No, is requested. I cannot go on.
no problem. I'm dealing everything here. Let's just see. The project is being delivered from here.
But sorry, to close this, what I need to attach?
Just one means one. Thank you so much.
No, I attach another things. I don't
The
know what
project is
the fuck.
delivered. See, just you need to approve to complete the project. You have got a
Do it
message.
later.
Project is delivered. See.
Allora.
As our task is already complete, that's why we have.
Approve. Okay. Awesome seller deserve a tip. It's a customer, you leave a tip? No tip. Seller communication top. Service as describer top. Will recommend? No.
Will recommend? No.
I'm joking.
Because it's my accounts matrix, brother.
No, very, very, very professional work.
Thank you so much.
But a little bit costly, too much.
No.
I didn't wrote.
Yeah, you're very much jokey. I see.
Yes, but no, I'm just joking because we have already closed the point. I think that I already pay you. Yeah,
Yeah.
I already paid.
Yeah, I got your review already. Yeah, thank you so much
Okay.
for your 5-star review.
Okay, hope that this will have a good return also to me.
Yeah, okay. Let me know if you need the step service, then we will work on that for 80 with 20 discount.
Okay. Okay, but please reply to me when I write to you. If
Yeah,
you're
sure.
booking, just no, just because I hate to push people. So just maybe tell me I will be free in 1 week. So for 1 week, I just park the idea to push you, and I will not. So you
Okay,
tell
no.
me until this date I will have too much work, and I will not break you every day with the chat.
Okay, no problem. Just let me know when you need the service. I'm always here to help you. Always.
Okay, I will go directly in WhatsApp.
Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.
Okay, thank you, Abdullah. Bye.
Bye bye.